In the early 1990s, a small community in the heart of Louisiana faced an environmental crisis. The local river, a vital resource, had been contaminated by industrial waste. The air carried a heavy stench, making daily life unbearable. This was not just an environmental issue. It was a social justice crisis. Marginalized residents, particularly black families, were hit hardest. Their health declined, while wealthier neighbors remained shielded. The community gathered in church on a humid evening to discuss their plight. They shared stories of illness and loss, each tale echoing the sentiment of neglect. Together, they decided to take action. Led by an inspiring woman named Clara, they organized peaceful protests. The group marched to City Hall, chanting for justice. They demanded accountability from the corporations responsible for the pollution. Clara's voice resonated as she connected environmentalism with civil rights. Clean air and water are human rights, she proclaimed. The climax came when a local TV station covered their story. Attention surged like a storm, drawing in activists and allies. News reports showcased their struggle, sparking empathy and outrage across the region. As months passed, pressure mounted on local officials. After many negotiations, an agreement was struck. The companies would clean the river, and the community would receive financial support for health services. In the end, the community triumphed. Despite their struggles, Clara and her neighbors transformed their story into a powerful movement. They highlighted how social justice and environmentalism intersect. Their victory inspired other communities facing similar battles, proving that united voices can bring change. Dive into the forgotten story and discover how it still shapes our world today. Watch now and uncover the past that history books left out.